Now, the ANC is gonna get on his moor from the NCC. I can promise you this. It's gonna get the type of hiding that the DA wishes it could give. But let's just park that for a minute, man. I got two things I want to raise, and I think it's pivotal. It's critical that we talk about this. Hi people, I am not driving. I can confirm that I am not driving. Let it wait before I get accused of stuff. It's 1 o'clock, I can't stay long. But here's news. Here's some serious news. I'm just enjoying the view. Can't tell you about it. Let's give it 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. If I'm gonna turn the egg. Oh, there's two people on the live who have not identified themselves. Hello JP. Hello Vincent. Where's Robbie? Mensa, I cannot stay long. Unfortunately, I cannot stay long. I've got to get back to the work that I actually get paid to do, but take him. Yo, the ANC nou. Yo, julle mense is erg. Yo, I got some documents here, but we'll save it for Parliament. We're not going to put this on social media just yet. Yo, julle mense is erg. Just when you think now that it can't get any worse, it just gets worse. It raakt net al erger, and there's no end in sight. I can tell you this. There is no end in sight. Goeiedag mense. Hier kom julle so stadig aan. Goeiedag aan al die laatkommers. By die tyd wanneer julle hier by die meeting kom, as ek mos ophaal. So I'm gonna keep it very short. Now, the ANC is gonna get on his moor from the NCC. I can promise you this. It's gonna get the type of hiding that the DA wishes it could give. But let's just park that for a minute, man. I got two things I want to raise, and I think it's pivotal. It's critical that we talk about this. So, for those of you with long memories, a few years ago, the Western Cape government put out a 4 billion rand tender. 4 billion rand. You might remember it for broadband. Remember that? Broadband. 3 service providers. 3 service providers. Het gefriet aan 'n 4 billion rand koek. When was the last time you heard of broadband? When did broadband ever work for you? 3 white service providers, 4 billion rand, no benefit to the people. It was never listed as fruitless and wasted expenditure. Alan Zala, I got a document for you. But we're going to do more with this document and show it to you. We're going to show it to the right people. The people that raid offices, that arrest corrupt politicians, that aren't scared of your titles. That's 1. 2. I saw a disturbing video today of Vincent Botto. I think it was a City of Cape Town meeting, because I see Robbie Roberts sitting there in his commissioner's gear, but I see a fucker commissioner. But you must know we're going to handle that, don't you, Robbie? And Vincent Botto, this is not JP Smith. The people say he's the henchman, but he's the head of the Department of Safety and Security. He stands up there and he's addressing, I think it's his senior members. And he says to them, forget the unions. I am the union. This from a department that's fighting, that they're firing people for... They're firing people for nothing. They're victimized, mostly colored people. Black people also, but mostly colored people. They are targeting people. They're dismissing people. There's findings from the court, from arbitration against these people, that what they're doing is wrong. The bargaining council is ruling against them, and they're just proceeding with it, man. Because they must got your rights money to abuse and an unlimited amount of money to spend on lawyers. And I am the unions. Nou wil ek gou iets vra, man. Samu, Imatu, Kosatu. What the fuck happened to all of you? I mean, the ED of Safety and Security in the West, in the City of Cape Town has just told all the unions to fuck off. Julle sê nie vir ons nie. Now, this is that capitalist mindset that the DA is known for. They want to do away with the unions. They want to do away with the minimum wage. So they can do with the workers just what they want to. It reminds you of that plaasmaniere, man, waar die baas jou net wegza. No hearing, No processes. Vat jou sakkie, fuck off. And the unions are being quiet. It is clear that we need new unions, fitter unions, better unions. You people that are paying subscription to unions, you're wasting your money. Your unions are not doing you justice. They're not protecting your interests. But you must understand, when unions start banking, I'm taking your subscription and investing it in big business, then your union's compromised. And most of them are. So what I'm saying to the workers is, you know we're fighting for you. I'm not saying that come and join us, pay me subscription. No, I don't want none of that. Well, not yet. But you know who's fighting for you. Take note who's fighting for you. People make such a big fuss of this JP thing. He's not all powerful. Stop fearing this man. I don't fear him. As a matter of fact, I got it on good authority that he fears me. JP is a nothing, man. If it wasn't for Alan Zille, JP would be a poor white. Now, you must understand, in South African terms, my bro, to be pure, poor and white, Naira's, it's forget me, yo. There's something seriously wrong with you. Because you got all the opportunities to succeed. Now, if you needed Alan Zille to make a success of your life, says it all. Don't be scared of JP Smith. Come and talk to us. You got no reason to be scared of him. Now, here's an appeal. If you're retired or in semi-retirement, if you're bored, if you believe in justice, if you're an advocate, an attorney, a forensic, forensic accountant, a chartered accountant, if you have detective skills, come and talk to us. We're not going to wait till the next election. We're going to start investigating every single decision that the city of Cape Town has made. And we are going to take it to court. We actually have a bit of money now. FYI. We can't pay you what you're worth, but we can pay your traveling costs just to keep you going. We need corrective justice. Ons kan nie meer speel met die mense nie. These people, they are a law. They are a law upon themselves. The law doesn't apply to these people. These people that run the city, they think that they're better than us. They think that the law applies to us. I'll give you a typical example. Verkoop gou kosistes aan Earthlonen, vat hulle jou kosiste bakke af. They'll take your dough, they'll take your coconut. But then they'll approve a pitch to spin in a residential area, but it has to be in a poor area. They won't do it in Constantia. This is the people that believe in bylaws. It's their Bible. If you have the skills to assist us, to dissect the document, to look at the numbers and understand the truth, because the truth is always in the numbers, come speak to us. Come speak to us. We want to see the criminals that run this province in jail. If you want that too, if you want justice, come talk to us. You don't need to show your face. No one needs to know that you're involved. If you are working in the city of Cape Town, in the Western Cape government, come. Bring the we got enough documents, but you can never have enough. Bring the documents that prove what they did. Ek is dik van die mense. I'm tired of the kak decisions they're making. I'm tired of their sprisheid, man. The flippancy that is evident when they do things that have negative impacts on our lives. Did you see what happened yesterday? A bus was robbed, driving down Vanguard Drive into Mitchell's Plain because of the roadworks. The bus was standing stationary for like 20 minutes. People got on the bus and just robbed. These are the things they don't take into account because they don't live your lives. They don't understand what it is to be us. So they can essentially bring all traffic in Mitchell's Plain to a standstill. Do you know how many people are still going to get carjacked, smash and grabs? People are going to get killed on that road because they decided to work on all the main arterial roads in Mitchell's Plain at the same time. Not understanding, oh fuck, there's 70,000 cars coming out of this place in the morning. Let's give them 2 lanes only. It would never have happened to a white area. They would have taken all the care in the world to minimize the traffic. But you say, julle is mos college, julle beteken fuck all vir die mense nie. But there's a counter to it. We gave colored resistance a name. NCC was on niks hoor nie. Speak to you later, guys. I gotta go.